Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add Shopify store to Instagram bio. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So to add your Shopify store to Instagram bio, what you need to do is first you're going to be heading over to your settings, and once you're there you can see we have our store details. We're going to simply copy that, or you can see we have store name, store email. So you're going to be copying your store uh, basically details, or you can simply copy its URL once you are on your front end section. So this is how it is going to be looking. I have my store ready. You can see we can copy its link, and once we copy that, we're gonna paste it inside our bio, which is on Instagram, and that's how easily you can incorporate your Shopify store to Instagram bio. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.